Hello student, today I want to explain about chapter 6 in grade 10. We have one lesson in this chapter, it's about derivative rules. First we want to explain about slope and then how to find the slope and slope intercept, from how I identify the slope and then vertical intersection too. And then after that rate of change first. And then we studied how can we find the slope in grade 9 too, by using the rule of slope. And then in grade 9 we studied about the rule of slope interception. We have slope with delta y over delta x. It means we have change in y over change in x. So we have the order pair. By using the order pair we can find the slope between the points. There's also we have rule of y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, but every time we must have a different value for x, because when we have equal sign it's undefined. And then now I want to explain about slope interception too. In slope interception there's also we must to explain how can find the slope and then y interception, or you can say vertical intersection. And then by using the rule of slope intercept, y equal to mx plus b. That one is called slope intercept. The value of m is slope and then b is y interception or vertical intersection. In example 1, just we must find the slope of the following lines and then vertical intersection points. There's also we have y equals 3x minus 1. There's also we have m with 3 and then slope intercept with negative 1, because in the rule we have plus and there's we have minus, so it means we have a negative for slope interception. In example B also we have 2x minus y equal to 3. There's we must write as a slope interception first. So we say 2x, we move 3 to other side change to negative, and then we move y to other side change to positive. So we have 2x minus 3 equal to y. So there's also we can write as that one, students, because it doesn't matter when we write the equal sign, you can write in the other two, and then we have y other side 2. So we have y equal to 2x minus 3. 2 is the slope and then negative 3 is the slope in the vertical intersection or y interception. In example C also we have 4y minus 2x equal to 12. There's also we move 2x to other side change to positive, and then after that we do divide both by 4, both sides by 4, so remain y, and then we have 2 and 4 is equal to 1 over 2 or half, and then 4 and 12 divided by 4 is 3, so we have the slope is 3 and then y interception is positive 3. In the try this is also we have the same, by the same way of example when we can find each of them. We solved all in class, students. And in example 2 also we must find the slope of the line that passes through 2 and 5, 4 and 11. Look at this, students, that one is wrong in example 2. I write the correct sentence. There's also we must find the slope by using the rule of slope, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That is so easy, just we replace a y2 minus y1 and then x2 minus x1. For y1 we have y2, we have 11. For y1 we have 5, so we say 11 minus 5. And then for x2 we have 4, for x1 we have 2, so we say 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. After that we do divide, it's equal to 3, the result is equal to 3. In trithesis also we must find the slope is equal to x1 y1 x2 y2. It's equal to y2 minus y1, 15 minus 3, and then 2 minus 0, and then we have 12 over 2, and then is equal to 6. So the slope is 6 for both points, or slope of the line with the that pass through the point 0 and 3, and 2 and 5, 15 is equal to 6. And now we have rate of change. In rate of change we have an interval and a function to students. We must have a function with the interval. We can find the rate of change of the function by using the rule f of b every time f of b minus f of a. When we have the interval with a and b and the function f of x, okay, we can replace a b f of for x and then a for x, we replace with x. After that we can find divide it by b minus a, we do minus. Now we solve example 3 for find the rate of change of the function f of x equal to x squared plus minus 5x over the interval 4 and 8. There's also we must replace 4 and 8 for the function f of x equals x squared minus 5x with the interval 4 and 8. For that one, students, I rewrite it again because in the books we have some mistake. So there's also we replace f of 8 for f of b. For f of b, we replace 8. This is a, this is b, and then it's equal to a squared minus 5 times 8. It's equal to 64 minus 40, and then 64 minus 40, it equals 24. There's also to find f of 4. For f of a, we replace f with 4 and then x with 4. You can say 4 square minus 5 times 4. There's also we have 16 minus 20, and then the result is equals 94. Now we replace for the rule of rate of change with f of b minus f of a over b minus a. It's equal. F of b is 24 minus f of a is negative 4. So it's 4, students. And then over 8 minus 4, because we have b minus a. There's also we have 8 minus 4. Now 24, we have the same sign, so we add is equals 28 over 4. So 28 over 4 is 7. For the try, this is also we must find the rate of change of the function x squared plus 2x over the interval 1 and 3. First, we must replace the value of 3 in the function, and then the value of 1 is also in the function. By replacing it in the functions, we get 15 and 3. After that, we use a rule of rate of change. We do divide, and then we do minus first. 15 minus, or 15 f of b minus f of a over b minus a. 15 minus 3 for f of b and f of a, we replace it, and then 3 minus 1 is 12 over 2 is also equal to 6. So the rate of change of the function with the interval 1 and 3 is 6.